the white matter of the brain. Next to the gray matter is the white matter. This is in three types of fibers are there. There are association fibers which connect different areas of the same hemisphere. There are commissural fibers which connect identical areas of the two opposite hemispheres, and there are projection fibers which connect the upper areas with the lower areas of the brain and spinal cord. The association fibers, this is short association fiber which connect the adjacent gyri. Long association fiber, this is the fibers in the cingulum. The superior longitudinal fasciculus, the inferior longitudinal fasciculus, and the uncinate fasciculus, which connects the frontal lobe to the temporal lobe of the brain. The second type of fibers are the commissural fibers, which is chiefly made up of the corpus callosum. Parts of the corpus callosum are the anterior-most part, the rostrum, genu, trunk or body, and the posterior fibers are known as the splenium. There is an anterior commissure here and a posterior commissure at the back. These fibers, they connect the identical areas with the opposite cerebral hemisphere. The third type of fibers are those of the projection fibers. They are the internal capsule. The internal capsule is a collection of white matter which is lying on the medial side, between the head of the caudate nucleus and thalamus on the medial side, and the lentiform nucleus on the lateral side. The parts of the internal capsule are the anterior limb, the genu, the posterior limb, the sublentiform part, and the retrolentiform part. These are the 5 parts of the internal capsule: anterior limb, genu, posterior limb, sublentiform part, and the retrolentiform part. The fibers which are passing in the anterior limb are the frontopontine fibers on each side and the anterior thalamic radiation in the middle. The fibers in the genu are the fibers, corticonuclear fibers for the head and neck. In the posterior limb, there is the superior thalamic radiation and the fibers for the trunk, upper limb, and the lower limb. The fibers in the sublentiform are the ones which form the auditory radiation. The fibers in the retrolentiform part are the ones which form the optic radiation, and these are the fibers which end in the occipital lobe of the cerebrum.